So, in my book, it's junk. Scrapyard!
No.
Well, hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're going to get back to working on Blondie here. I know this is going slow. I'd love to have a crew like Robbie has and just go gangbusters, but that's the way it is when you're working alone. Well, not alone. I mean, I have Mara and Abby, but I don't have a whole crew. Okay, well, we got to take this out and paint it. And after Bleep and Jeep's incident on the Onyx build, we definitely want to put these in so we don't bend this upper arm. We're going to have to drill for those. I think I have an idea for that, but we got to paint these first. Okay, well that's drying. Now it's time for my idea. I have a big old drill press that was given to me, but it has a 3-phase motor on it. I don't have 3-phase in the shop here. So we got to get that drill press up here and see about switching out the motor. I think the best way to move it with the Bobcat. Well, there it is. We got to get it out of here and up to the other shop so I can take a look at it and see what we can do about making it work. be a whole lot easier.
Really? You see how big and heavy this thing is?
There.
There you go.
Okay.
We're not taking no more junk, no more vehicles.
This isn't junk. This is good stuff. Yeah, it is.
And what do you have to do to it again?
I think I have to change the motor because I think this is a 3-phase. Yep, this is a 3-phase motor, and I have to change the motor to a different motor.
Okay. So, in my book, it's junk. Scrapyard!
No, 3-phase alternating current. That isn't quite gonna work. So we gotta put a different motor on it. It's a Rockwell Manufacturing Company, Power Tool Division. Lubricate every 3 months. Bet you that hasn't been done for a while. But anyway, we should be able to make that work and have a decent drill press. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, we gotta get that moved up a little bit. I like when things come apart. Well, there, I think, is our replacement motor. Well, I don't know if this is gonna work. We got a bigger pulley here. The shaft size is different than the other pulley. It's not gonna hang on our motor plate in the same spot, but we'll give it a try. That's one heavy motor. It's hanging on there. The belt's too short. Well, that one's just a little bit longer, a little bit narrower. No. This one's a lot longer. Yep, way too long. All right. Well, we're at the parts store. We'll see if they got a belt. Well, we found one that'll fit on the second pulley. So it's gonna go a little faster than its slowest speed. But it turns on. Runs pretty quiet. Now, let's see if it drills anything. Well, that just won't work. That just won't work. That's going the wrong direction. We're gonna have to see if we can reverse the direction of the motor on this thing, or if we got to get a different motor, or if it just isn't going to work at all. Well, looks like that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods. It doesn't say reversible. I suppose I'm going to have to search the internet, see what I can find.